Hello. Hello. Ay, kuya, mag-video ako. Paano sir?
Hello.
James and Nadine, pwede ba naming malaman yung story ng this time? Mga characters niyo, roles?
For the movie naman po, diba? Sorry po, wait lang po. Pwede po ba kami magkwento about the movie? Sa movie na po? Okay na sila. Yeah, sure.
Siguro naman kasi set visit.
Kasi
Well,
si boss naman na nag-opera.
for the movie naman po. Siguro, just lang naman.
Oo, yung gano'n na lang.
Yung ano,
Huwag nang ibigay lahat. Oo.
slide.
So what's it about?
Lalo eh.
Ikaw ba si Kobe o si Aldrin, James?
Kobe.
Kobe, okay.
Siya si Kobe and ako po dito si Ava.
Oo, social.
Ava. Fine arts student po ako. And ito kasi yung love story ni Kobe tsaka ni Ava dito. Nagkikita lang po sila tuwing summer. So,
Oo.
paano ko ba na-explain? You do it.
They see each other every summer. They have this
Summer lang.
short romance only every summer, and then I leave again. My father is the ambassador, so my grandfather is the ambassador. He doesn't. I don't have my parents anymore. And in the first part, they're trying to figure out who they are, or what they are to each other. With a push and pull.
Kasi medyo bata pa sila actually. So parang you could say na magkababata silang dalawa. Tapos yun nga, as the years go by, talagang tuwing summer lang sila nagkikita.
Mature kayo dito. Malayong-malayo sa On the Wings. Paano? Or ganun din ang kilig.
On the Wings is pretty mature. I mean,
Yeah.
the way it ended is very mature because they age however many years. Here we're aging from 12 years old until
Siya 12 to 22.
12 to 20.
Ako 11 to 21 eh. So, mas mature I guess na yung Oddworld. Ito talagang kilig, summer lang, since it's releasing it ng summer na and it's for Cornetto. So, yun.
Anong kaibahan nito sa mga dati ng movie? Kasi, or nag-level up lang kayo dito? In terms of acting and...
Yun nga eh.
Yeah.
This movie kasi is very light kasi it's a summer movie. So, mas more on the kilig siya. Siyempre, meron din namang mga meron ding, what do you call this? Yung mga heartaches din dito, lalo na sa character ko. Hindi ko na po ang hirap kasi magkwento at ang hindi nare-reveal eh. Kaya ako, ganun lang ako magkwento. But anyway yun, meron din naman. Pero, maganda po kasi yung twist ng story niya. Kung paano sila, medyo nakakatawa. But kung paano sila magkikita ulit.
Awkward ba? Or may awkwardness sa inyong dalawa during, ito nga, second taping nyo na was lovers?
Nope.
Paano?
I guess sa awkwardness with shooting lang siguro because we're not used to it yet. So ang tagal naming sinamahan, ang tagal naming naging Clark and Leia. So ito, ibang character na. So syempre dapat as actors, dapat mahiwalay namin siya ng bongga ni Clark and Leia. So yun, medyo nangangapa pa kami ng konti, but we'll get used to it then.
Sabi ni Brett na naiinggit daw siya sa inyo sa dressing room. Ang sweet niya daw. Cheesy, sabi niya.
Smoking stuff up. But he's happy for us. He's just joking. He's really happy. A little bit annoyed, but happy.
But he's always tweeting about it. So
So, ano ba, ngayon, after ng On the Wings, hindi na masyado kayong puyat, masyadong pagod, or...
well, kasi aside from Otwal naman po, even dati pa, meron din naman po kami ibang projects, like endorsement shoots, pictorials and all. So, medyo napupuyat pa rin. But then, I guess less na ngayon, especially with this movie. Kasi, movie siya, so we get to sleep more because of the setup. Mas ano kasi to, mas meticulous with everything. So
Worldwide trending kayo nung ending nung On the Wings. Grabe. Ilang milyon yung tweets. What can you say? Live pa yung isang part ng ending. What can you say to all the Otwolistas?
Yeah, it's me.
Right?
Yeah. But, we never could have expected such a successful finale. And we never could have expected to touch so many people.
We're just happy na it's really we're just happy po na it's really successful kasi Otwal has a really beautiful story. So parang masaya kami na marami kaming na-touch. Yung mga tao, maraming kinilig sa amin, maraming syempre mga na-hurt din sa mga pangyayari. But then, super happy sa nangyari.
And because of the show, Jaden became a brand, right?
That's true. On Wings of Love and Dreamscape helped create what Jaden is today. It's made us recognizable worldwide. So we have a lot to thank him for.
What can you say na parang isa na kayo sa top endorsers ngayon, individually and
Really?
the two of you? Kasi di ba para sa TV pag nanonood ka, minsan dalawa kayo, minsan dalawa kayo sa commercial, minsan solo-solo, di ba parang ang dami. Blessings.
We're very, very grateful to Boss Vic.
Siyempre, sa lahat din po ng mga tao behind their success. Kasi kung di din naman po dahil sa kanila, di ba, wala din naman po kami ngayon kung nasan kami. So we're just really, really thankful.
James and Nadine, how do you plan to have your relationship work? Kasi di ba mahirap, di ba? So, pag sinasabi nila pag magka-love team na nagmamahalan din sa totoong buhay, mahirap yung, alam mo yun, may mga challenges, lalo pag showbiz kayo pareho.
How do we expect to make it work? Well, we've been friends now for 2 years. We work almost every day together. And we never fight.
We only had one.
We only had one fight.
Oh, kailan yan? Because?
Premiere night. It was the only time.
One fight.
And
Ayoko na maulit. Ayoko na maulit.
true. Also, we're comfortable with each other. I don't know. We work well together. So
Ikaw, Nads, paano? Parang,
I guess now that we're in love,
Parang-
it's easier.
Yeah. Feeling ko din po, it's gonna be easier for both of us. I mean, hindi ko po alam kasi wala naman
Walang formula,
there will be
oo.
challenges, but then kaya naman namin yung 2 years and then wala namang ang hirap sabihin eh.
Oo nga, no?
Kasi I don't think
James, sabi ni Brett, nagbago ka na raw, hindi ka na raw gumigimik.
That's true.
Dahil ba kayo na din yun? Or ano ba, parang,
No, dahil sobrang puyat ako.
ganun lang.
I would have, but
you still do sometimes.
sometimes,
Sometimes.
but not like
Nakakapag-date na ba kayo? Nang kayong dalawa lang?
very rarely.
When was the last time?
The last time that we went on a date.
Date.
No,
Ano,
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Actually, Valentine's Day.
Yun lang yun.
Yun lang.
Nang wala kayong kasama, kayong dalawa.
Wala. Kasi yun lang yung nagtugma yung schedule namin. Then after that was concert.
Mahirap bang mag-date kayong dalawa? Kasi di ba super sikat kayo ngayon. Tapos, syempre ang daming tao. How do you handle the situation? Pag nandun kayo sa isang lugar, may mga gusto magpa-picture, alam mo yun?